Legislative Assembly.
Today, we bring to you an inspiring journey, the life story of India's first female teacher, a fearless social reformer and a pioneer in women's education, Savitribai Phule.
I invite a student to come forward to sing a prayer song.
Kalisu, Guruve Kalisu, Kalisu Sadguruve ni Kalisu, Kalisu, Guruve Kalisu, Kalisu Sadguruve ni Kalisu, Sullina Naduvena Satyavanadalu Kalisu, Sullina Naduvena Satyavanadalu Kalisu, Swarthada Naduve Niswarthiyagalu Kalisu.
Empower a woman and you uplift entire community. I now invite my dear friend Ravichandra to deliver the welcome address.
Pen is sharper than sword. With the powerful pen, I would like to welcome Reverend Father Alvin D'Souza SJ to this program. We welcome you, Father. A teacher takes a hand, opens her mind, and touches a heart. It is a time to welcome our teaching and non-teaching staff. A hearty welcome to you all. Last but not least, without your presence, celebration will not be fulfilled. So welcome dear Josephites. Once again, welcome to you all.
Now, I would like to present the life history of our first female teacher, Savitribai Phule. In the heartland of Maharashtra, India, amidst 19th century societal norms, one woman emerged as a torch-bearer for education, equality, and women's rights. This is the extraordinary story of Savitribai Phule, a trailblazer who left an indelible mark on the landscape of social reform in India. Savitribai was born on January 3, 1831 in the quaint village of Naigaon, Maharashtra. Her life took an unconventional turn when she became a child bride, marrying Jyotirao Phule at the age of 9. A turning point in her journey occurred when a Christian missionary gifted her a valuable book, sparking a fervent passion for learning within her. Recognizing Savitribai's eagerness to learn, Jyotirao taught her to read and write. Savitribai and Jyotirao boldly opened a school for girls in 1848. She wanted to make some changes to it in society. She began to educate the girls. Becoming the first female teacher in India, she fought against the illegal activities done by the society like abuse, throwing stones, counter and other. Yet she persevered, changing into a speciality she carried with her every day. There were lots of troubles given by the society, even though she did not bother about it. She moved forward because her main aim is to give the basic education for girls which was prohibited that time. Savitribai's efforts garnered recognition. In 1852, the British government declared her the best teacher in the state, followed by further praise for her contributions to education. In 1897, the bubonic plague gripped Maharashtra. Savitribai, never a spectator, rushed to aid the affected, establishing a clinic for plague victims in Hadapsar, Pune. While carrying a 10-year-old plague victim to clinic, Savitribai contracted the disease herself. On March 10, 1897, Savitribai Phule breathed her last. Where equality is not a privilege but a birthright. This is the story of Savitribai Phule, the mother of Indian feminism, whose life and work forever changed the landscape of our nation. We are educated because of her, and we are living in this society because of her. Thank you.
Thank you, dear friends.
I invite Manohar and Sharat Kumar to share few words about the life journey of Savitribai Phule.
Thank you, dear friends. Your words about Savitribai Phule were truly inspiring.
I now invite class 9 singers to step forward and sing a song.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves in motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. I know those things I didn't say, breaking balls inside my brain. I've been speaking that love tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song.
भारतीय नारी की स्थिति में क्रांतिकारी बदलाव आया। आज की नारी राजनीतिक, सामाजिक, आर्थिक सभी क्षेत्रों में आगे बढ़ रही है। पर इन सब की शुरुआत कब हुई? ये कहानी है 19वीं सदी की, जहां भारत देश कई सामाजिक कृत्य जैसे विधवाओं का शोषण, बाल विवाह, देवदासी, सती जैसी प्रथाओं में झगड़ा हुआ था। पुरुष प्रधान संस्कृति में स्त्री का पर्दा मानो अभिशाप था। ऐसे में क्या होगा स्त्री का भविष्य? क्या होगी स्त्री की दशा? वो एक स्त्री ही समझ सकती थी, और यही बदलाव लाने के लिए दो रणरागिनियों ने जन्म लिया, जिनके नाम थे सावित्रीबाई फुले और फातिमा शेख।
कंधे से मिला के कंधा पुरुषों से आगे खड़ी, बुलंदियों के शिखर पे हुनर के दम से अपनी चढ़ी। माँ बेटी